Here's how I turned one whole chicken into three budget-friendly meals. Fast, simple, and perfect for busy days. So from one whole chicken, i-cut and separate the thighs and wings for tinola. Then, hatiin yung breast. Kalahati for pastil and the other half for chicken tenders. Now, let's start cooking the tinola. Magisa ng luya, sibuyas, at bawang. Then, ilagay yung chicken thighs and wings. Timplahan ng asin at paminta. After a few minutes, add the papaya, tsaka takpan ulit. Kapag half-cook na yung gulay, lagyan ng tubig at chicken bouillon. Pakuluin ng ilang minuto, then ilagay yung dahon ng malunggay. Optional, you can also add patis. Next, let's move on sa chicken pastil. Pakuluan yung kalahating chicken breast with asin, paminta, at luya. After 15 minutes, hanguin, then palamigin ng konti. Tsaka himayin gamit ang fork. Sa isang pan, maglagay ng mantika, just enough para ma-maintain yung moisture ng chicken. Pag mainit na yung mantika, gumamit ng atsuete for color. Then, igisa ang sibuyas, bawang, at sili. Kapag aromatic na, ilagay na yung shredded chicken. Season with toyo, asukal, oyster sauce, dahon ng laurel, at paminta. Takpan, then after few minutes, lagyan ng tubig na pinagpakuluan ng chicken and add vinegar. Hayaan lang mag-simmer hanggang maging flavorful. And now, for our third dish, chicken tenders. Hiwain lang ng ganito yung remaining half ng chicken breast. Then sa isang bowl, pagsamahin ng AP flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, and baking soda. Mag-separate ng konting mixture, then lagyan ng egg, water, at vinegar. I-dip yung chicken strip sa wet butter, then i-coat sa dry mixture. Tsaka iprito hanggang maging golden brown and crispy. Pwede na to for lunch, dinner, or sa midnight snack. See, from just one whole chicken, I made three delicious meals. May sabaw, may ginisa, at may prito pa. All easy and budget friendly.